Hi there, this is Kathy Pepin with Samsung Properties. I am going to walk through this beautiful house that is available for rent in Falls Church so that you can virtually take a look and take a tour with me. The address of this property is 2128 Greenwich Street in Falls Church, Virginia. Let's see, as you can see, this house has a long driveway and beautiful landscaping. And I want to flip this around, actually turn around and show you then the street. I think I'll do that. And this is how the street looks like, and beautiful, calm, quiet area. And they're building a new house right across, and here we go. Come back to this house. So all right, we got a basketball hoop here, one car garage, a cute front porch, and let's walk through the house. This house is 2-level, 3 bedrooms, and it's very green. It has solar panels, backup generator, it has electric car chargers, and beautiful creek in the backyard. So let's just walk through here how you come in, and the front door, and let's go through the side and I show you this lovely little creek. It's very small. It's on the side, runs through the side of the house and through the back. And by the way, what you're looking at is a little greenhouse, and there are herbs growing in there. So it's super cute, super useful. All right, let's try to go back in here and let's go inside the house. All right, so when you come in, you can either go up or you go to the main level. Let's go through the main level. I would like to, so you can go left to the family or living room or go straight to the kitchen. Let's go to the formal family area. You have some a bench and coat hanger additional, but there is a closet. Let me see if I can open that. For coats, and then you go in there. This is a beautiful room. It's got recessed lights, lots of built-ins, fireplace, and a huge bay window, and more built-ins and desk. And this is, let me try to open this cabinet here, and I want you to look at it. It's a built-in little bar in there. So it's hidden away. It's there if you need it. You could use it for other things as well. Gas fireplace, beautiful. Then you enter the dining room area. And beautiful chandelier, drapes. You could keep them or put your own. I wanted to show the programmable carrier thermostat here. And then what I love is the beautiful arch that connects the 2 rooms. Look at that. So from standing here, that's the front door, another arch. And all right, let's go through the dining room. You get through to the kitchen, and the kitchen is gorgeous. So you have kitchen and family room all open. Stainless steel appliances, granite. Love the stove. Let me show you, pull out this cabinet. All right, so there is a lot of cabinet space in here. Let me turn, I hope you don't get dizzy, but here it is. Look at this. It's a pull-out pantry. It's gorgeous. Lots of space. And of course the the fridge, and there's a little section for coffee bar or a bar, or maybe kids' breakfast area. This is the stove. It's a high-end. Look at the backsplash. It's gorgeous, custom designed, and how beautiful these are. And then you have this beautiful window over the sink, and a huge sink. And they also have reverse osmosis for water filtration here that also connects to the fridge and the ice maker there. All right, and this is a huge island in the middle, adorable lights and so forth, bar stools here. And then you got the family room. Family room has a wood stove in there in the corner, and they tell me that it heats up the house pretty nicely too. So let me show you the door to garage is here. I can't reach the light over there, but you get the hang of it, that this is one car garage with a bunch of shelves right here. And there is a electric car charger inside the garage, and one outside. Let's see what else I can show you here. All right, family room. You have this sliding door, and you go to this beautiful park-like backyard. And it's pretty large deck, and it's got steps going down if you wanted to access your backyard through here. There's a little wooden bridge, and let's see, let's look at that creek that we looked at earlier, which is on the side of the house. And again, that's the green little greenhouse with herbs. Look at this, how cute, and how you see the water going down. It's great, very relaxing. And there it is. That still belongs to this property, all this space. Yeah. There are lots of fruit trees in the backyard. This is how the top of the house looks like. These planters are beautiful here. Okay, now let's see. Again, this is the other way. There's basically a bunch of trees and woods all the way in the back. And you've got a neighbor on this side, which is kind of far, and so is this one, just their garage, you'll see. And let's see, there is solar panels, I believe, on the other side of actually maybe it's on that side, I can't see it, but there are solar panels up there. Yeah. And that just saves a lot of savings for utilities. Backup generator as well, if you lose your electricity, especially during winter time, that will kick in. See, I'm gonna hold it here and stay quiet so you can hear any noises. There is a shed in the back, if you can see it through the trees there. That belongs to this property. You could use that as house. I'm gonna try to let's go inside and show you the rest of the house. Every room, by the way, has ceiling fans, which is fantastic. We got, by the way, let's see, another pantry here in the kitchen. All right, let's go. Laundry room is located here, right in the front. And there are front loading machines. Front loading machines and a laundry closet right here. The half a bathroom is located here, and by the way, all the bathrooms have Japanese Toto, the bidet, and this one is pretty cool. When you get near it, hello, look what it does. It's pretty cool, and it has of course, the control panel there, and it closes it automatically as well. And all right, let's go up. Let's see. All right, here we go. We go up. Now, second floor has carpet, and the carpets have professionally been washed and cleaned. There's a hallway. You got attic on top that is pretty good for storage. It's got a lot of good space there. This is, I would say, bedroom number 3, and has nice shelves in the closet. There you go. And then we come down to, then you see a hallway bathroom, full bathroom, completely renovated and beautifully done. Double sink. And the beautiful tub and shower. So you would look this way like that. And again, this has the Toto. This one does not open up automatically, but it does have the control panel. All right, we come out, we go there next to the bathroom. There is a linen closet, hallway closet. Then you go on to the bedroom number 2, has 2 closets in here and 2 windows. Again, ceiling fans in every bedroom. Then right next to it, you have the master bedroom. Your master bedroom is pretty huge. A ceiling fan and 3-4 windows. As you can see. Then master bath is again double sink, completely done, renovated, and we come in, and the shower, you got a little shower window here, and that's how it looks, and actually a bench, shower seat there. This one also has the Japanese Toto bidet, and it has the control panel right there. It's super cute. Then right next to it, we have the master closet, and that one, they have shelves everywhere. It's custom designed to fit the space, and I'm actually inside it, so I'm going to turn around. I'm going to close the door and look, give you a perspective. I just ran into one of the shelves. So look at this, and a window, so that's wonderful. Natural lights, a lot of natural lights. All right, let's get out of this closet. All right, so there you have it. I showed you the front, the back, the main level, the upstairs bedroom level, and as you're going down the stairs, by the way, I wanted to show you, there are these little natural lights, actually windows, kind of a skylights naturally, that are perfect for plants. So they have a plant shelf and this area as well that can be used for plants. Every little parts of this house has been really thoroughly thought through to make it efficient and beautiful. So this definitely makes a beautiful home for a family, an individual, and people who would like to live in Falls Church area. By the way, a little bit about the area is that this is walking distance to West Falls Church Metro stop. It's just a few minutes to 66 that takes you to Washington, D.C. Few minutes to get to 495. Just really, all of this is centrally located. Few minutes to Route 29, Route 50 again, that also takes you to Washington, D.C. and Pentagon areas. Dallas Toll Road takes you to west to the International Dallas Airport, and also very close to Washington, D.C., the Reagan National Airport. We are walking distance to shops and restaurants. It also has fantastic school district. Elementary school for this is Haycock. Middle school is Longfellow, and high school is McLean High School. So you can check them out yourself. And the neighborhood is very friendly, very nice. And I also live in the area, so I know a lot about this neighborhood. Definitely this house will make some people very happy soon. So I hope this was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me or text or email me. And as always, have a great day and stay safe. Bye-bye.